Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you are also welcome. Please check below and subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon, ring the notification bell, comment and share your thoughts. So on today's video, we are going to talk about how to get rid of dark neck. You know, most people, they are scared of this kind of my hairstyle because their neck is very dark. Alright guys, so no need to worry anymore because today I'm going to show you a simple homemade remedy on how to get rid of your dark neck. I'm going to be adding half tablespoon of baking soda and half tablespoon of water. Rough granules of baking soda work as mild exfoliant that clear off the dead skin layers, which clean skin and remove pigmentation. Antibacterial properties present kill infection causing bacteria. So you're gonna give it a nice stir so it can mix properly before application. Alright guys, so here is my mixture. I'm just going to rub it on my neck. Note, if you have an open wound or acne on the area, avoid using baking soda for dark neck. Do this twice every week. Within a week, you will notice a difference in the skin tone. If it's dark on both sides, you also do the same thing on this other side. So you're going to wait for 15 minutes before rinsing off with water, or you use white. Causes of dark neck. Discoloration happens due to excess melanin production in the body, which is triggered due to hormonal imbalance, pregnancy, smoking, exposure to UV rays. So guys, you can see the place is a little bit red due to the rough granules of baking soda. It has done well in clearing up all the dead skin layers around my neck. Though I don't have dark neck, but I guarantee you within days of using baking soda exfoliants, you're gonna get desired results. Alright beautiful people, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.